Hey everybody, I'm Alan. I'm with BenQ Education, and we're in Denver, Colorado today for the ISTE 24 conference, showing off the latest and greatest in ed tech, specifically our Google EDLA-certified RPO4 boards. That you can grab any device you're comfortable with and connect straight to the board, no cables required, and just get you going and ready for the day to teach your kids. I've got an NFC capable pen here. I can just tap this right here and it's gonna pull up my interactive whiteboarding software. You can do countdown, you can do timers, and it involves all kinds of activities to get you and the kids engaged in class for the day.
I love seeing that all the Google Suite apps were readily available right at the touch of a finger.
My favorite thing was the translator feature, being able to take a picture of words and then having it translated into the appropriate language.
So I can go here and boom, I've already made it French. Maybe this is an intro class and we don't know how to pronounce this word. So on our smart boards, they're all germ resistant certified. You can touch it all day, the kids can touch it with their little hands, and by the next day, all of the germs will have cleaned themselves. Well, hey guys, it's been an awesome day at ISTE. Thanks for stopping by and learning more all about our BenQ Education products.